Hey, how's the family doing? This is Mr. Lopez. Just want to let you guys know how much I miss you. And we missed that scientific b-ball battling back and forth. But we're going to get through this process. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what I want to do is help you kind of navigate these times here and understand what the expectations are, but to make it easier for you, okay? And so our learning platform, of course, is Edsby. And I know it's been slow and at times it'll crash. But when you are able to get on there, couple features that you'll see are going to be your notes section and then your journal section. In your journal section, every week I'll post the assignments for that week. Okay. If you take a look up here, you're going to have your notes section as well. And that'll kind of be, it's not in chronological order, but it's just in the order that that particular week is set for. All right. Up here, of course, is where you can email me. You can take a picture. You can send it there. Many of you guys have been doing a phenomenal job doing that. For me, honestly, if I was in your position, at least in this class, is I lined it all up for you with sciencebuddy.net. So you're seeing the same thing for Edsby. So you can go back and forth for both platforms. All right. So I'll show you. We're going to go to the e-learning assignment log. And here you're going to be able to see what I'm grading. So you can kind of take a look here and navigate and see what assignments we're grading here. Okay. So soon this is what your log, or actually your grade book, is going to look like with your assignments in there. Let's go back to it and let's go one by one, okay, to get you caught up. So here's the first assignment. The first assignment, it says watch video by clicking video, properties of waves, create 7 questions and 7 answers, and then you can either email them to me or go to the Edsby learning platform and write it in a notebook, and then you can send them back to me. Okay, so let's go there.
Here we have an ordinary piece of rope. It's not one of those magician's ropes that can mysteriously be put back together once it's been cut in half. And it's not particularly strong or durable, but you might say that it does have special powers because it's going to demonstrate for us the physics of traveling waves. Ropes and strings are really good for this kind of thing because when you...
So think about it. Here you're looking at the video and you're just making up questions. Okay, so you're taking a look at stopping it, writing down what could be a good question, and then providing an answer. You can also go to the caption part here. So in the caption part, it'll actually let you see, all right, what the caption is going to be, and then you can write that down as well. All right, so that'll be assignment number 1. For assignment number 2 is going to be Penda. So for Penda, what we want to do is the platform here, the center ID is going to be 33573 SMS. And then you're going to put in your lunch number twice. So you're going to put your lunch number here and then put your lunch number here. And it's going to take you to a platform that somewhat looks like this. But these are the assignments that I've posted. Okay, so you want to be able to clear these assignments because when I pull reports, I can actually see how many you're getting done. Remember, you have 3 opportunities for each one to score as high as you can. The next assignment that we're going to have, which is this one here, is the Penda Learning. Okay, same thing, but this is the one that I'm going to be looking for. Understanding waves. So this is the one that you're looking for to clear out for me. All right, so soon that'll be in the grade book. When you finish that, what we're going to do is that we're going to actually go to a StudyJam. So this will be number 4. This is assignment StudyJam. Okay, so let's go there. Let's navigate to a StudyJam. Ready? In your StudyJam, there's 2 things I want you to do. Play the video. Okay, now as you play the video, let me show you. All right.
You are so immature.
Come on, Mia, lighten up. You got to admit that
Now, if you continue to play it, you're going to see in-text information in there that you can write down. So I'm going to navigate through it.
Yep.
Okay. And so you guys can see as you're watching it, there's another
Raindrops
one.
Can work
okay.
like prisms.
Okay, so same thing. It could be notes, Q&A, however you want to set it up. At the very end, you'll also see a summary. Okay, so at the end, the video usually ends up with a summary that you can write down as well. Okay, so there's one right here. Now, when you finish it, what you want to do next is that you want to go to test yourself. And in test yourself, you can write down the answers to it. You can take a picture of the final test and send me the score. What I'm looking for is at least an 80 or above. All right. So we have properties of waves. 1, you're on Penda clearing out assignments. Penda Learning, remember, we're targeting the understanding waves. And right here, we're going to be on a StudyJam. All right. Now, this is going to be important. When you get to week 2, where it says March 30th, it's going to say properties of waves week 1. This test here is what it's going to do is that it's going to let me know what you've done and how much you know about that particular week. All right, so let's go ahead and click in the classroom. The classroom is going to be Lopez 6033. And then you're going to put your name. Okay, now remember, you can take this multiple times. Okay, I want you to be successful. And then go for it. Okay, so go for it. Go ahead and put your answer, submit it, see how you do. Okay, all right. Okay, so once you finish that, now you're transitioning into this week. And for this week, what we're going to be looking at is StudyJam, same exact thing we did before, right? So here's your StudyJam. Okay, before your StudyJam, remember up here, your Penda Learning, you're clearing assignments. StudyJam, here's your StudyJam quiz again. Okay, so here we go again. So let's do it again. Properties of waves we've done. Now for Penda Learning, here we go back to Penda Learning right here. You're just clearing out assignments. If you've done that, you're good. StudyJam, the new one is going to be on right here, light absorption, reflection, and refraction. Okay, so same exact thing. You're going to play the video, break it down, create questions and answers or notes, however you want to do it, okay? All right. Once you finish that, same exact thing. You'll go ahead and take a test. So take your test and submit that and take a picture of it. Okay. And now let's keep moving forward. The next one is going to be an SEL for bonus points. So your SEL right here, you're going to watch your SEL. And then, like I said, as you're watching it, answer those questions for me that we have at the bottom. Why is it important to stay home during this crisis? List several ways that during a social distancing you could still connect with a friend. And why are there 3 things that what are 3 things that you enjoy doing at home? All right. So that one's going to be a cool video to watch, like I said. After that, number 6, we're going to go ahead onto a YouTube video. And we're going to do the same thing. It's going to deal with waves, but it's going to now focus a little bit on earthquakes and that connection that we have with earthquakes. Okay?
In 132 CE, Chinese polymath Zhang He presented the Han
you can get your
with his
captions. Remember, just 7 questions and then 7 answers. Okay? Once you finish that, all right, now what you're doing is that, like I said, we're actually going back. My fault. Let's go back to week 2 again. And so we're almost done. Okay, almost all caught up. We're going to remember, we're going to have here properties of waves. So this is a handout. This will be a handout. You can actually download it. So if you go back here, you can download it as a Word document. Okay, or what you can actually do. So let's go ahead and click on it again. All right, let me go here. So properties of waves as a Word document. Properties of waves as a PDF that you can download on your computer. Then what you can do here is that this is going to be the main resource that you'll need. Here's the textbook. Okay, and so the textbook right here, there's all the pages. So there's going to be various activities that we're going to be doing throughout the week upcoming and using the text as well. Okay, but I'll repost it for the next week. All right, so remember, you can pause, forward the video, but just imagine that I'm by your side helping you navigate through each assignment. All right, so hope that works. Remember, just hit me up on email. Let me know on Edsby. You can text me as well. And like I said, little by little, we'll knock those out together, okay? All right, stay safe for me.